People born on January 3rd are influenced by the zodiac sign Capricorn, ruled by Saturn. These individuals are often characterized by ambition, determination, and practicality. The astrological sign of Capricorn is associated with the element of earth, which contributes to their grounded nature and ability to work persistently toward long-term goals. Below is a detailed exploration of their personality traits, strengths, weaknesses, relationships, careers, and other aspects of life. Personality traits. People born on January 3rd are known for their disciplined and goal-oriented mindset. They approach life with seriousness and a sense of responsibility, making them reliable and dependable individuals. Their determination to succeed often inspires admiration from others. They have a natural talent for planning and organizing, which allows them to manage tasks efficiently. Despite their strong focus on success, these individuals often possess a deep inner sensitivity. While they may not readily express their emotions, they feel deeply and can be incredibly empathetic toward those they care about. This combination of emotional depth and practical thinking enables them to strike a balance between compassion and logic. Strengths. One of the key strengths of people born on January 3rd is their unwavering determination. Once they set their sights on a goal, they will work tirelessly to achieve it. They are also highly resourceful, able to navigate challenges with creative solutions and a calm demeanor. Their ability to stay focused even in the face of adversity sets them apart. Another strength is their sense of loyalty. These individuals are deeply committed to their friends, family, and partners. They are often seen as pillars of strength in their relationships, offering unwavering support and guidance. Their reliability and dependability make them cherished by those around them. January 3rd individuals are also known for their strong work ethic. They are not afraid to put in the effort required to succeed, and they often excel in their chosen fields. Their ability to maintain a steady pace and avoid distractions makes them excellent leaders and collaborators. Weaknesses. While their determination is one of their greatest strengths, it can also become a weakness if it leads to stubbornness. People born on January 3rd may struggle to let go of plans or ideas that are no longer serving them, which can hinder their growth and adaptability. Additionally, their serious nature can sometimes make them overly cautious, preventing them from taking risks that could lead to greater opportunities. These individuals may also find it challenging to express their emotions openly. While they care deeply about others, their reserved nature can make it difficult for them to communicate their feelings, leading to misunderstandings in relationships. Their tendency to prioritize work and responsibilities over personal needs can sometimes result in burnout or feelings of isolation. Relationships. In relationships, people born on January 3rd value stability and commitment. They are loyal and dependable partners who prioritize building a strong foundation with their significant others. While they may not be the most outwardly romantic, their actions often speak louder than words. They show their love through acts of service, support, and consistency. These individuals may take time to open up emotionally, but once they do, they form deep and lasting connections. They appreciate partners who share their values and are equally committed to building a stable and secure future. Their practical nature ensures that they approach relationships with a level head, but they are also capable of deep passion and devotion. Friendships are also important to people born on January 3rd, though they may prefer a smaller circle of close friends rather than a large social network. They value quality over quantity in their friendships and are known for being reliable and trustworthy companions. Their friends often turn to them for advice and support, as they have a knack for providing practical and insightful guidance. Careers. When it comes to their professional lives, people born on January 3rd are highly ambitious and dedicated. They excel in roles that require strategic thinking, organization, and persistence. Their strong work ethic and ability to stay focused make them well suited for careers in fields such as business, finance, law, and management. These individuals are also drawn to creative pursuits, particularly when they allow for structure and discipline. Careers in architecture, engineering, or design may appeal to their practical yet imaginative mindset. They have a natural ability to combine creativity with functionality, making them successful in professions that require both innovation and precision. Leadership roles often come naturally to people born on January 3rd, as they have a talent for motivating and guiding others. They are respected by colleagues for their reliability and expertise, and they often climb the ranks in their chosen fields due to their consistent performance and dedication. Challenges. One of the main challenges for people born on January 3rd is finding a balance between work and personal life. Their strong drive for success can sometimes lead them to neglect their emotional and social needs, resulting in stress or feelings of isolation. Learning to prioritize self-care and nurture their relationships is essential for their overall well-being. Another challenge is overcoming their tendency to be overly critical, both of themselves and others. While their high standards drive them to achieve excellence, they may need to learn to practice patience and understanding, particularly in situations where perfection is unattainable. These individuals may also struggle with expressing vulnerability. While their reserved nature is part of what makes them strong and composed, allowing themselves to be open and honest about their feelings can lead to deeper connections and personal growth. Hobbies and interests. In their leisure time, people born on January 3rd often enjoy activities that allow them to relax and recharge while still engaging their minds. They may be drawn to hobbies such as reading, writing, or solving puzzles, as these activities provide mental stimulation and a sense of accomplishment. Outdoor activities like hiking or gardening may also appeal to them, as they appreciate the calming influence of nature. These individuals may find that spending time in natural settings helps them regain balance and clarity, particularly after periods of intense work or stress. Creative pursuits such as painting, crafting, or playing a musical instrument can also be fulfilling for people born on this day. These activities allow them to express themselves in ways that may feel more comfortable than verbal communication. Health and wellness. Maintaining good health is essential for people born on January 3rd, as their ambitious nature can sometimes lead to stress and overwork. They benefit from incorporating regular exercise into their routines, as physical activity helps them manage stress and stay energized. Activities like yoga, Pilates, or swimming may be particularly beneficial, as they combine physical exertion with relaxation. A balanced diet is also important for these individuals, as their focus on work may sometimes lead them to neglect proper nutrition. Ensuring that they eat regular, wholesome meals can help them maintain their energy levels and overall well-being. Mental health is another area that requires attention for people born on January 3rd. Taking time to unwind and engage in activities that bring them joy can help them avoid burnout and maintain a positive outlook. Practices such as meditation, journaling, or spending time with loved ones can also contribute to their emotional well-being. Compatibility. In terms of compatibility, people born on January 3rd often form strong connections with individuals who share their values and work ethic. They appreciate partners who are supportive, reliable, and equally committed to building a stable future. Signs that complement their practical and disciplined nature include Taurus and Virgo, as these signs share their grounded approach to life. However, they may also find intriguing connections with more adventurous or spontaneous individuals who encourage them to step outside their comfort zones. This balance of stability and excitement can help them grow and explore new possibilities. Life path and purpose. For people born on January 3rd, life is often about achieving success and leaving a lasting legacy. They are driven by a desire to create something meaningful, whether that be a successful career, a loving family, or contributions to their community. Their disciplined approach to life ensures that they are capable of achieving their goals, but they may need to learn to embrace flexibility and spontaneity along the way. These individuals often find fulfillment in helping others and making a positive impact on the world. Whether through their professional achievements or personal relationships, they strive to create a life of purpose and significance. Conclusion. People born on January 3rd are ambitious, hardworking, and deeply committed to their goals. Their practical nature and strong sense of responsibility make them reliable and trustworthy individuals who are cherished by those around them. While they may face challenges in expressing their emotions and balancing their personal and professional lives, their determination and resilience ensure that they can overcome obstacles and achieve great success. By embracing vulnerability, nurturing their relationships, and prioritizing self-care, they can lead fulfilling and meaningful lives.